How to lock gallery on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to have your shortcut app on your iPhone. It is a built-in app. You can also download it from App Store. Now, first you want to go to Settings and then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Here you want to scroll down again and tap on Guided Access. Make sure it is turned on, then tap on Passcode Settings. Keep your passcode and then you can also turn on the Touch ID. Meanwhile, you want to go to Shortcut app and then tap on Automation that is on the bottom middle. Now tap on the plus sign that is on the top right corner. After that, you want to go ahead and tap on Create Personal Automation. Scroll down a little bit and then tap on App. Now tap on Choose that is just beside App. Now go to the search bar and search for Photos. Select Photos and then tap on Done. Tap on Next that is on the top right corner. Now here you want to tap on Add Action. Go to the search bar and search for Guided Access. Tap on Start Guided Access. Tap on Next that is on the top right corner. Turn off the toggle button for Ask Before Running and then tap on Done that is on the top right corner. Then tap on Don't Ask. Now open your photos and tap on the home button 3 times. You will see this option where you want to tap on Guided Access. Now you want to tap on Options that is on the bottom left corner. Turn on Sleep Wake Up button and then turn on Volume buttons. Turn off all the other toggle buttons and then tap on Done. After that, tap on Start that is on the top right corner. Now you will not be able to move the screen of your photos. You will only be able to do that when you tap on the home button 3 times again. After you do that, this screen will appear where you want to enter the password, and when you do that, you will be able to go to the Guided Access again. Then tap on End that is on the top left corner. So that is how you can lock gallery on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.